Alright, guys, so another loss today actually makes it a streak of two, which is pretty unprecedented with this. So, yeah, let me explain this. The issue recently has been taking the trades too early when the market is still in consolidation. Um, yeah, like, damn, we see this move here, which we call, but by then I'd already lost the trade. Anyways, let's get into this. So, it lost like 6 something on the day, 600 something. What the fuck? Where's the position? So this one, that also had a break even. So this one was at 23.50. Let me show you. Okay, so coming into session. Hourly draws up here. London highs up here, which I just deleted before. London lows down here. We have 50-minute gap here, which we ended up respecting bearish to come down and get the sweep of London lows. I think I'm going too micro with this. Not big enough. Like, I just woke up. Shit's exhausting when you're trading at midnight every night. Um, so the first trade was a break even, which happened. What did I have this break even on? Wait, what? There was an initial break even, then there was a loss, yes. Oh, the break even was coming to get opening range low. So the first 15-minute low. Anyways, coming to session, London highs marked out. This little bit of liquidity here, which was a data high, or it's just a decent spike. So that's liquidity. London lows, obviously. Let me actually label them. London high, London low. Yeah, 15-minute gap. That was nothing in there. It was kind of like a 1 minute or something, I think. 15-minute gap. This ended up getting created after the first. Oh my god! So fucking yawning. After the first 15 minutes, we also get a range created for the opening high and low, which included this piece here and then this piece up here. And since we were looking to respect this bearish 15-minute, shorts were looking good down to, and respect the bearish 1 minute actually. It was shitty price action, as you can see, but 50. I actually tried to long that. Was I retarded? Oh, because we had 30-second gap respect in here, 1 minute gap respect bullish. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm looking way too micro on this shit right now. Like, way too micro. Like, definitely way too micro. Just because I thought, because we swept some, it's not even a low. Like, it's not even good. But that's okay. Because I was looking for it to come up and take the top of this 15, the top of the opening range high, the 15-minute opening range high. Which it didn't, obviously, but that's chill. Because at that point, we're still come up, tap, and then the next bearish candle, we're up here again, then we do get the move bearish. So this is just respect of this 15-minute to come lower. And it looks really good on ES as well. 15 minutes to come lower. And then we take London lows, or ES does, so technically it's a divergence. This is what we should have waited for. Either short to London lows, because we can see we've respected the 15-minute bearish, we've respected the 15-minute bearish. And if we don't come up and take the highs, and if we start respecting topside shit, well, when we respect topside stuff and bottom side stuff, I think that's a point where we just need to wait for something to happen. Because we respect bottom side here, and then we have this top side here, which we didn't get break of structure of on the 1 minute, but 30-second we do. So that's why I'm kind of like, oh, it's okay-ish. I was too caught up in the source, I reckon, definitely. Because this was a closer high for the range, but we were also in the 15-minute, which is definitely something to account for, especially when ES is respected so well bearish. And ES was down in the dumps at this point. Like I was around here, ES is down in the dumps close to London lows. So when we do sweep London lows, there's also a short down to London lows. Let's see. When we get here, we have 1 minute gap here, which doesn't get respected. 1 minute gap, but there's once we start respecting this bearish 15-minute, and we actually break out of it. Here it is. We get this 1 minute bearish, and then this candle closes really easily below. This was a position. Then have it above previous candle high, 25. So we go to 30 points. And then 1-to-1 is here. Or down to London lows, 24, 8, 9, 1.5. 24. Wait, no, sorry. Yeah, so it doesn't actually hit them, and that's way later after this retracement anyways. And that retracement is just to get into the 5-minute gap, which is really perfect, to be honest. You see the 5-minute gap respect, then we come down. Like, it's picture perfect. So after that occurs, just after midnight, there's no entry either. So there is, but it's shit. It's really shit. So that's that. And then we start getting the bullish run, which is where we actually get the momentum. And we need to trade in the market where it's momentum filled. And with all this chop here, that's like, look at it. It's fucking ass for us. So I shouldn't have taken this one here, obviously, because it lost. But when we do finally break out and we get the bearish move, we get the 15 gap respect. We finally get the bearish moves. ES is down. We're taking London lows. And we want to be bearish anyways. Just because we're also inverse this hourly. But that's nothing crazy. Yeah, so there's that. And then let's see on the bullish move. What do we got? There's no 5-minute. It's just inversions. But there's price action. Which is what we fucking want. This happens here. Yeah, a bit later, but it's good at least. Like it's good. Yeah, this is it. Fuck yeah, that's perfect. That's the correlating move where the price action's actually decent. Down there. Shoot for either of those highs. Oh, what have we got? Yeah, the opening range high, that'd be it. Which is that high. Yep. Yeah. Yep. So that's that. Just traded too early. Didn't wait for the price action. I'm gonna make a little checklist for the strat. Because I'm being way too macro on it. Way too macro, I think. Way too macro. But yeah, that's that.